Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on TikTok step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping on the icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Account. Next, tap on Account Information, and here you will see the option for Email. Tap on it and then select Change Email. You may need to verify your identity using a code sent to your current email or phone number. Once verified, simply enter your new email and confirm the change. And that's it, your TikTok email will be successfully updated. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.